Let me ask you something, and answer this honestly. How long have you been telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow? Tomorrow I'll wake up early. Tomorrow I'll study seriously. Tomorrow I'll stop being lazy. Tomorrow I'll finally fix my routine. But tomorrow keeps moving. Weeks turn into months. Months turn into years. And slowly, without realizing it, you start believing something dangerous. You start believing this is who you are. Lazy, undisciplined, inconsistent. But what if I told you that belief is wrong? What if the problem was never you, but how were you taught to start? Stay with me till the end of this video, because what I'm about to show you isn't another wake up at 5 a.m. speech or a fake motivational push. This is about why motivated, ambitious people still get stuck, and how to finally break that cycle permanently. You have big dreams. You want to be successful, but instead, most days look like this. You know exactly what you should be doing and still don't do it. You scroll, you delay, and at night, the guilt hits. When you're doing nothing, staying still feels easy. Starting feels painful. Not because the work is hard, and this is where most people fail. They fail before they even begin, because in their mind, the starting point is massive. I need to finish this chapter. I need to study for 4 hours. I need to write 5,000 words. But that mental weight becomes so heavy, your brain says, let's not. So instead, it chooses comfort. Here's the first rule. Make the start embarrassingly small. If the goal feels big, your brain will resist. So stop telling yourself, I'll write the entire essay. Instead, say, I'll write 50 words. Not 500, not perfect, just 50. Here's something powerful. Your brain doesn't resist work. It resists starting. Now let's talk about students. Most students don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because they never learned how to structure their day. They either overwork and burn out, or underwork and feel guilty. Both are traps. What you need is a routine that works in real life. Not a fake 18-hour study plan, a balanced system. Morning matters more than you think. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. That's not discipline. That's punishment. The key is what you do first. If the first thing you touch is your phone, you've already lost the morning. You've let the world enter your mind before you even took control of it. Instead, wake up, drink water, stretch, open a window, breathe for 2 minutes. That calm becomes your foundation. Use your morning brain wisely. So don't waste it on scrolling. Study your hardest subject first. 1 hour of focused work in the morning is worth 3 hours of tired work at night. Use focused work, short breaks. No phone during breaks. Evenings are not for grinding. Move your body. Then allow creativity. Hobbies aren't a waste of time. They prevent burnout. A rested mind learns faster. And at night, revise lightly. Then plan tomorrow. Write 3 to 5 specific tasks. Not study, but what exactly. This clears mental clutter and improves sleep. And please, protect your sleep. Sleep isn't optional. Sleep is where memory is built. Cut sleep, and you erase progress. Active learning wins. So here's everything simplified. If you're ambitious but stuck, make your start small. Build routines, not motivation. Use the 2-minute rule. Study actively, not longer. Protect your sleep. Restart every day without guilt. That's it. You don't need perfection. You need consistency through small starts. Your dreams aren't far away. They're just waiting for movement. So don't wait for motivation. Take the first step, even if it feels too small to matter, because that step breaks inertia, and breaking inertia changes everything.